You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word perfectly, correctly, in English, in British English and American English pronunciations, because they do have different pronunciations. So let's start with British English UK. Excited, excited, stress on the si syllable, the second syllable. In American English, in the US, it's pronounced as excited, excited with a flap T that sounds like a D. Excited, American English, or excited, British English. And now you know. Did you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.